All right, we got some new gold hardware on this stock manifold to get rid of the exhaust leak. So now the fun part, we're gonna put a single 3-inch turn down before the back axle on the GMC. It's gonna sound bad. Y'all check it out.
Yes, sir.
For real. So behind me is the Red GMC that I learned how to build 4L60s on. We fixed the exhaust manifold bolts this morning, all kind of dirty, and didn't think that was worth videoing because we've seen everyone pull off the old stuff, weld the nut onto the head, back it off, and put the new gaskets on. So that's what we did. Nevertheless, the exhaust manifold gaskets are fixed, but we still have one problem. Now it's silent. It runs really well, but under the truck, we have this stock Y pipe, which we'll leave for now with the cats and this connection and this big old giant coffin muffler. But in my arsenal of spare parts, I have a 3-inch in and out with a turn down. It's not a Spin Tech. It's I don't know. Let me read it. I'll tell you. Okay. So it's you know, stock bend 2 3/4 to a 3-inch in, 3-inch out with a turn down. And upon further investigation, this happens to be a Cherry Bomb 2-chamber Vortex Muffler. So if any of y'all want to hear what a single Cherry Bomb but a 3-inch turn down sounds like on a 4.8, hang on, we're about to throw it on there. This was on Charlie's extended cab for a little bit, and it wasn't loud enough for him. So it was in my scrap pile, and now we're about to unscrap it and throw it up on here. So let's get to cutting.
Tailpipe out first.
The tailpipe comes off. We're gonna have to cut off the muffler by the section that goes to the Y pipe first, and then we can get everything else out. So cut it like right. Cut it like here. Okay. It's got something else to weld to for next time. Somebody might need a stock muffler, want to quiet their truck up again.
Oh, yeah.
Hit it! That's a record. I saw them do this on YouTube once. All right, and then the back one. You got to love uncorking. There it goes. Anybody want a stock muffler? No. All right, time to put the Cherry Bomb Vortex on a stock piece of 2 3/4 with a 3-inch turn down. Let's do it. All right, now we can take the pipe out because the other one's already ready already. There it is. Another one. There it goes. Now, let's put this one up where it's got to go. And stock Y pipes sound nasty, so we ain't gonna do that. Look at Pete putting the rubber on.
Yeah.
That's a responsible individual.
Yes. Yeah, responsible.
All right, so just put that above. Is it upside down?
No.
No.
I'm in the way.
No, that engine. Hang on, let me get up here.
Different on a regular cab?
No, it just came off the extended cab, but this was welded on some kind of weird angle, it looks like. Flip it, how it's got to go, pull it back to you. Yeah, that's some kind of weird funkiness going on. It's got a huge gap at the top. That's not going to work.
It's not.
And we didn't just fix the exhaust manifold bolt to have another leak. So we're going to go ahead and chop this straight and re-weld it and bolt it back up. It's just never easy, you know? We just want to hear it make some noise.
He's the master finger blaster. See him blasting those electrical fingers. Yeah, boy. Fill that hole so no sound can be let go.
You want to hear shit like
All right, here we go.
that?
This is not permanent by any means, but I got the patch on the pipe to get it to line up straight. Not bad for an eyeball job, but this is a temporary to get some little bit of rumble. So now he can't say, well, my shit don't rumble like that, my shit misses. Well, we got the miss out the way, and now we got the rumble out the way. So we got to turn down all the way to the back. And like I said, this ain't permanent. This is just testing to see what this sounds like on a 4.8 with a Y to a single. We're eventually going to run duals out the back. But everything is out the way. 4.8 Cherry Bomb Vortex. Got a little rumble to it.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, it's deep.
I like it.
Yeah. He likes it, bro. Nice and mellow. Don't be mean for Masta P getting in the truck. Sound like NASCAR.
Fun. Like and subscribe.
Catch y'all next week. Another satisfied customer. Oh man. That's what happens when you got leftover junk. Your friends need that.